Welcome to Short Reels. Is it the end of the US dollar as a global reserve currency? In recent times, there has been speculation about the decline of the US dollar as the global reserve currency. China and Russia, America's biggest rivals, have joined forces and declared that they would start trading in their own currencies to avoid the US control through the dollar. The two countries have decided to trade commodities in Chinese yen and Russian rubles. Russia has also encouraged the BRICS countries, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, to create their own unified currency to replace the dollar in global trade. Two main questions have arisen. Can the US dollar be replaced as a global reserve currency, and how will it affect the US stock market? This is not the first time such a prophecy has been made. In fact, it was prophesied a lot in the early 2000s, especially when the euro was created in 1999. Initially, the euro did really well, taking off like crazy, especially during the Great Financial Crisis, when the US Federal Reserve cut interest rates to zero, causing the dollar to lose a lot of its value. However, everything reversed, and over the last 13 years from 2009 to today, the euro has collapsed against the US dollar. The reason for the euro's decline is due to the fact that creating a European currency was a bad idea. The European nations have different economic growth and different debt levels. When they formed a single currency, it became very difficult for that currency. Similarly, the BRICS currency may not succeed against the dollar, as the countries involved have different economic growth rates, different levels of debt, and different currencies that have been losing value against the US dollar for many years. China, for instance, is a communist country and has strict capital controls, which means that the yuan cannot move freely in and out of China or around the world. A lot of rich billionaire Chinese cannot get their money out of China, which causes the economy to collapse. The yuan cannot become a global reserve currency as long as it is a control currency. In conclusion, it is unlikely that the US dollar will be replaced as the global reserve currency anytime soon. It has been predicted before, but it has not happened. The euro, which was initially considered a strong contender, has collapsed against the US dollar. The same may happen to the BRICS currency. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel to get up-to-date short news from around the world.